You've probably already seen several videos talking about the gelatin trick, but most of them repeat the same information without showing anything truly useful. I was curious too, until I discovered a different version, practical, simple, and one that many people are including naturally and safely in their daily lives. This gelatin trick recipe has nothing to do with teas, capsules, or miracle promises. It's a small habit that can bring a gentle sense of balance and ease to your day, and maybe that's why so many people have been talking about it online. The gelatin trick diet video has already surpassed millions of views and keeps growing because it shows something that really fits into everyday life with no exaggeration. A friend told me about 4 simple fridge ingredients that almost no one uses the right way, and when combined with gelatin, the way it's experienced can feel completely different. That's why I recorded a video explaining everything step by step, the preparation, the moment people usually practice it, and why it's become a topic in wellness communities. You can watch the full explanation through the link in the description or in the first pinned comment. The video is still available, so it's worth watching and saving to try later. It's quick and straight to the point.